Hi, this is Elaine from Roxy's Ice Cream Catering Truck. I would like to tell you all about our nurse practitioner. She has helped us immensely over the years. She helped me through cancer. I went through cancer therapy 2 years ago. I flew through chemo. I flew through radiation only because Shayna helped me. My doctors were amazed. I did so well. After that, my husband had heart valve replacements while he was in the hospital. They nicked a vein. They were ready to just send him home. And Shayna said something to me, have them check something. I did. And it turns out my husband's lung was full of blood. They had nicked a vessel when they put his pacemaker in, and it became a big problem. He ended up being in the hospital for a whole week longer. Shayna picked that up immediately and had me make the hospital look into it originally, and that's how they figured out that his lung was full of blood. Shayna has helped me with all kinds of medical problems. She is what she is. She is real. She is not phony, and she knows what to do. And don't be afraid to use her.